How to fix login error on Yubo app. So if you want to fix Yubo app login error, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Yubo. Once you've searched for Yubo, now if you have any updates under the application, then you just need simply make sure that you've updated, because if you have any updates, then the app won't work properly. So make sure that you have an update, and even if you have an update, you can go and update the application. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But if you don't have an update, then you can go back and you can open up your settings on your device. After that, scroll down and go with the apps section. Under apps, you can tap on see all apps, and here you can go with search for Yubo, and here you need to go with storage and cache. Go with clear cache and then clear storage. After clearing your cache and your storage, your problem will be fixed. You can restart your device and log into your account, and that's it. That's how you can fix. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.